Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, how are you all? Are you friends? You are too good, feel very fine. May Allah bless you. Always keep smile and like happily. So my dear friends, in this video you can showing very elegant and beautiful collections. So in this video I am sharing with you with different styles and beautiful elegant collections for different and stylish update ideas for stones paintings. I hope you like it. All my unique and new beautiful different collections, so you can like or enjoy my unique and different ideas, friends. And I am sharing with you with different latest or different amazing stylish ideas, obviously. And different stones paintings are elegant and beautiful. Birds, stones painting ideas. I hope you like or enjoy my unique and beautiful different ideas. So friends, I hope you like it. And all my unique and beautiful different collections or elegant new designs or beautiful ideas are showing in this video, friends. So I hope you like it. All my unique and new beautiful elegant collections. So keep like and enjoy my unique and different ideas, friends, and carry my beautiful stones painting. Stones painting bugs designs are very elegant or best collections, friends. So I hope you like it. So you can enjoy my different and elegant collections, friends. All my unique new designs or elegant ideas are best in this video sharing with you. So friends, keep like or enjoy my unique and different latest ideas. Very unique and different latest pretty collections. So keep like and enjoy my unique and different ideas, obviously. Take care viewers. Allah Hafiz, friends. Enjoy my unique beautiful different designs.